XRP in the crypto market is seeing red, and it all has to do with BTC ETF problems. There's two of them that can arise, and the market's pricing it in right now. And I swear you can't fix stupid. Wait until I show you this next comment. Seriously, and these people get to vote?
Oh yeah, we're also going to talk XRP price action.
Started off with your comments, and you can't fix stupid or lazy, can you? Jim5919 says, in Canada or just everywhere? If you're gonna be a reporter, do some research and just don't read what other people say. Thanks. Well, hey, dipshit, in my Who Got Delisted video at, I don't know, the 208 mark, I start talking about it. Blame Canada. Blame Canada. It's not even a real country anyways. Blame Canada. I really love Canada, by the way. I love Quebec City. Okay, so at 208, I went into Blame Canada and talked about how this applies to Canada. I also said, guess what? It applies to only XLM. But let's go to the comments. Last week, Andy Muir says this. Last week, Uphold started removal of staking in UK. Regulators definitely have the foot on the throat of exchanges. Well done. Bergsme Malone says XRP is not a security and wasn't listed as part of the cryptos delisted by Uphold Canada. No shit. Did you watch the video? Seriously. For the people out there that troll in the comments, or the people out there that make the stupid comments going, is this just in Canada or is it everywhere? Hey, dumb shit. You couldn't even take 2 minutes and 8 seconds to get into the video where I talk about everything. Damn. And you people get to vote? Seriously, that's messed up. Bitcoin's in at 41,708. Market's pricing in two different negative ETF actions. I'm going to share them with you. ETH 2173, XRP 60 cents. We're fighting for it right now. Look, all I'm watching for today and tomorrow, can we rebound from 60 cents? We've held above 60 for a while now. Can we rebound from 60? XLM sitting at 12 cents. All right, spot Bitcoin ETF will be a bloodbath for crypto exchanges. All right, basically what they're saying is this. Once the ETF gets approved, right, there's going to be some dynamics, some supply and demand dynamics. Once approved, the potential ETF in the US would be a bloodbath for cryptocurrency exchanges, according to Jurassic. Jurassic says that Bitcoin ETF buyers and sellers will benefit from institutional trade execution and commissions. On the other hand, retail users of crypto exchanges will get retail execution and commissions. Essentially, basically saying this, look, when the ETFs happen, you're going to have two different qualities of fulfillment. Institutional, which is going to be higher at better, juicier prices, right? Better for them. And then you're going to have retail. Not as juicy, going to have commissions. Now, for us, it's good because you know what that would do? That would put pressure on Coinbase and all these other exchanges not to be able to charge so much. Come on now, be real here. You know how much Coinbase charges, right? For their juice to trade. These ETFs got like what, 0.01%. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas emphasized that a spot BTC ETF will cost 0.01%, where Coinbase's average is 0.6. So that would bring better competition for us. Now the problem is though, is Coinbase and so forth, they would be in trouble. Because then, don't you think some of that money would go over to the ETF side? If you're constantly blowing 0.6% on trading, where on the ETF is 0.01%, dude, there's a lot of business going that way. So yeah, this could definitely be bad for the market in terms of the exchanges not being able to get as much revenue. For us, it'd be good because then the exchange would be like, whoa, whoa, whoa. To keep our people happy, we might have to be a little bit more competitive with our price. See, so it'd be good for us on the buying side, not so hot for the exchange's overall market risk. Here's the second risk. What if the SEC doesn't approve this all in January? We've had this huge bubble being built into this market, okay? And when I zoom out for 1 month, you can see there's lots and lots of green. And this all has to do with BTC ETF action right now. Some legit thinking about it. But what happens if it doesn't go through? While everyone is rooting for the approval and $100 billion at stake, analyst Nature Assey warned the community of impending danger, suggesting potential market upheaval if the ETF fails to secure approval. This pending decision slated for next month could redefine how cryptocurrencies indicated in traditional finance. All right, essentially what they're saying is, look, what if the SEC denies it? Is there so much buy the rumor, sell the news momentum right now that if we don't get that expectation come early January that the market's going to crash? And remember, look, crypto, it's all about buy the rumor, sell the news. It's all about expectations, right? If the expectations are so high and if they're priced in so optimistically here with Bitcoin at 41,007 at the moment, and all of a sudden it doesn't happen, how much will the market retrace? See, there's definitely some fears here, and I think people got a little bit too overzealous, a little too over you know what I mean? Oh, the ETFs is going to be the best, juiciest thing ever. There's some bad things that could happen with this. And I mean, we still got to get through the SEC approving the stuff. Okay, XRP price action. Look, this candlestick was not a nice one. We got to 58.4, all right? But we have since rebounded to 60 cents, okay? Let's take a look at this, and let's go to the 15-minute mark here real quick so I can show you the move. That's what I'm talking about right here. Bouncing off of that 60 floor. That's all I'm paying attention to right now, is this movement. I'm not worried about, oh, are we going to moon? Oh, are we going to go lower? No, I'm worried about what is happening right around this 60 cent mark. It's going to be an exciting Monday, everyone. So there you have it. You can't fix stupid and you can't fix lazy. I tell exactly what the whole story is 2 minutes into a video, and yet people still comment like dumbasses having not watched it. The life of a news reporter on YouTube in the crypto field in 2023 is such a fun one to be. But the reality is it is a lot of fun. But I am a little concerned though, because what if there is too much runaway optimism? What if the market really is just pricing way too much hope in this BTC ETF action? And what if we don't get it? I mean, there's a real possibility that Gensler and the SEC can deny it in January and send the market into red. But I'll be honest with you. I'm not thinking that the risk is that bad. Why? Because I think a lot of us out there are thinking, you know what? Gary could easily deny it. So I don't think we have full optimism built into this price action just yet. I think there's a lot of us out there that have been paying close attention with Gensler and the SEC, and we're sitting here going, you know what? We understand the optimism for January approval, but the reality is Gary could be a total dick and just deny the shit out of all this. Everyone, this is just going to be a fun Monday. I'm going to be watching price action as XRP now just dipped to 59.6. Like I said, the battle for 60 cents is huge. Going to keep you updated as more stuff happens. Don't forget, gold and silver show today. Hey, know your seller, know your buyer. Important stuff. What am I doing? It is Recovery Monday as always. I'll catch you cool cats later. Let me know what you're busy with today.